In this video, I'm going to talk about the binary editing features of 1.75 provides. So here are the typical layout of the data, of the binary data. On the left side is the address, and then the binary data and the ASCII data if it can be displayed. If you right-click this area here, you can see so many features available. Let's talk about on the bottom half. The save button is the same as in here, save, and the read from the chip is same here, which you can use the quick access F2 fast key, and verify is same as here, and so on, erase. This data is only in the PC memory. In order to get this data, you can either open from the existing file or read from the target. So let's say I want to open a file. You can select this one and select the file you want to. So if let's say this is, I open the file. Now, if I want to erase it, I can use here as initialization. It'll go back to the existing one. The FF is if you're flash. You can also double click here. So this file, double click here, and the file will be opened as well. Another thing is you can do is using the so-called drag and drop. So let's go back to initialization. And here is my folder. I want to open the file in another folder. So I can select the file, drop here. It will open this file as well as make the default folder back to my this folder. We have talked about the initialization. Let's talk about the find. Find can be triggered by the right click here as well as the Control F. If I Control F, I can do a search. Okay. So to search the data, I can search the binary data as well as the ASCII data. So if I want to search the binary data, for example, I want to search 17E8, I can type in 17 space E8, and then I can say find. The first appearance will be show up. If I click find again, it will show the same place because it starts searching from the beginning. But if I want to search the next appearance, I will click next. Now, whenever we find the matching pattern, it will highlight the text, and I can go again. I can also find the ASCII. For example, I know the VIN number is starting from 1G, so I can say 1G. Let's find the VIN number. Yes, I do find it. So I find this 1G number. Let's find again. So find, and this is the whole VIN number. So, by the way, I'm going to copy this one. 1G1A, let's see, 1G1A, L. So let's say find it. I find it. So is there any another VIN number somewhere? Let's try to find it. I couldn't. So this is the only place that VIN number is stored. Now I do have a copy of another VIN number here I want to replace. So we have search button and search next. I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to replace the VIN number. So let's say replace. You see, I have refined this pattern and replaced the entire VIN number with a new VIN number. So we have the find, and next let's talk about the editing. So I can do some typing here. Let's say I want to type the data to be 1, 2, 3, 4, or I can type on the ASCII side, which I can right click here, say I want to be GGG 1, 2, 3, 4. Now toggling between the ASCII and the binary is using the mouse. Select cursor where flashes, or I can use the tab key. So I want to tap this key and tab key to toggle between the ASCII and the binary. The next feature here is the copy and the paste. Copy and paste is same as the regular text copy paste, but just when you select the binary here, normally you copy to the clipboard. Does not make any sense, but you can paste in here, right click here. So it does use the Control P and Control V. So let's Control V and here. But also for the ASCII, you can copy this VIN number. For example, you can copy to the clipboard or Control C. Let's say I select here and Control C. I can go to my notepad here. And here is my clipboard. I can Control V here. I can also copy from the data here and put it back in here. Say I want to go here and Control V. It will paste in here. There is no insert in the editing. It's just to replace the existing text. So it depends. A lot of people want to get the VIN number or serial, like this one could be a serial number or OS number. They can use this copy and paste feature. And now, normally you should paste in the ASCII. Here it will not work well. Okay. Please note there is no undo feature when doing the edit, so you have to be very careful what you type in. Normally you should use the copy and paste. Another feature is in the new software here is the CRC and checksum. So this memory tab has the CRC of this value. So if you do modify something, you can see the checksum and the CRC being changed. So if you want to compare the two binary files without doing the full compare, just to make sure if their CRC number are the same.